come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Blink hobby. Subscribe to me, make just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Blink hobby. This is Defi bully. Now, today we're gonna be talking about Lucky Cat. Lucky Cat is a drip. Oh my gosh, my mind is all over the place. It's a fork of baked beans. It's a fork of baked beans. Same layout, same everything. The only thing different with this is a few little things. We're gonna dig deeper into that. But before we get into those things that are different and the similarities and the buy-in, because I will be doing a live buy-in today. And I will be following this project along with some other ones just so that new investors could see the rewards and what could be done and the ROI and all of these other things. But before we get into the video, please head over to the YouTube channel. Defi Bully YouTube channel. My voice is still pretty much gone, people. It's coming back a little tiny bit, but I keep putting strain on it because I keep getting excited about these gains, baby. These gains. You feel me? So we on that push. You see right here, we have 823 subscribers. We're trying to get 10,000. Come on, help your boy get monetized, cause I'm bringing that content. Hit that notification bell and like this video. All right, lucky. Now this Lucky Cat. Let's take a look at Monarch real quick. Monarch, whatever they call it. It just launched a day and 3 hours ago. There is 8%. 8% interest that's paid on your investment every day, similar to baked beans, similar to a lot of these forks that's out here. Thing about Lucky Cat, they have projects on different chains. As you see here, there's Lucky Cat on avax, BNB. There's some other ones too. I feel like getting into all of that. Now, I do believe that the one on BNB is gonna do a lot better than the other ones, simply because people just like Binance. I'm not sure if it's more simple for them or whatever, but if you're looking to get into one on a different chain, I do have videos showing you how to bridge tokens and such. All right, so I don't want to really dwell on that too much. Now, it's only been out for a day and the contract is already at 817 BNB. And if you look over here on CoinMarketCap, 817 BNB is already $323,013. So that's really good. So I'm gonna hop onto this before it goes crazy. I'm gonna hop on it with something modest, nothing crazy. You know what I mean? I'm gonna hop on with a little $200. All right, that's 0.51. Now, I am using my MetaMask wallet. You do need to have the Binance Smart Chain connected to your MetaMask wallet. I have videos showing that. Just go through my videos. And also, you will need to have BNB in your Binance wallet, because since it is on a Binance Smart Chain, it will be utilizing the BNB coins. So you will have to use that for gas fees. So never use all of your BNB. As you see right here, it says I have 0.545 BNB in my wallet. That's my MetaMask wallet. I will not use all of that because I wouldn't be able to do transactions like claiming or adding other things or doing whatever. You need BNB. So just make sure you don't use all of that. So I'm gonna add 0.51 BNB, which works out to $200. Let me stop talking like that. All right, so now the only thing different with this, it's pretty much the same. The tokenomics is the same. The contract is irrefutable, so they can't really change it up. So I have a little bit of confidence to this, as long as the community continues to do the same thing as Baked Beans has been doing, which is compound 6 or rebake 6 and claim 1. In this case, is feed the cats. So your compounding and recompounding is called feed cats, and the claiming is called pet cats. So I guess that's a reward. Petting the cat is you claiming. It's interesting. I see a lot of them trying to get creative. I'll let them do what they do. So right here, 0.51. Let's buy these cats, baby. Let's buy some cats. Are you a cat lover? Or are you a dog lover? Comment down below. And also, I was thinking about getting into some other projects, but I do want to use some people referral links. I want to help the community. I want to help the people that's watching my videos. You guys help me by growing my watch hours and my subscriber rate. So I want to help by using some of you guys' referral links. So my Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires, will be linked down below. Okay, this is it right here. And I've been picking people from my Telegram group to use their referral links for these projects that I'm investing into. So with this particular one, I will be using, oh my gosh, my internet went out. I will be using Crypto Corner, that's TechMind's referral link. Shout out to him. Hold on one second. Yes, so I will be utilizing TechMind's referral link. Now, like I said, I am interested in jumping in a spooky swap, but I will wait till someone in my group joins and I use their referral link. So get to the Telegram group. Let me know that you're in it, or if you're in a project that you feel like is good and offers a referral link, let me know, convince me to hop in, and I'll use a referral link. All right. It looks like it's waiting for my confirmation right here. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I swear I'm a kid at heart. Never slow down, never grow old. You know what I mean? Some people, they live their life making themselves miserable and worrying about bills, and yeah, like, my goodness. Stop the stressing. More life, less stress. That's what I live by. Okay. What in the world is taking so long? Finally. My goodness. All right, people. So right now I have 417 cats. And right now at my time is 7:20 p.m. April 11th. So let's see how this goes over the next however many days. I will be feeding cats, which is compounding, to try to grow my position. And then I will be claiming as well, or petting cats as well. All right, people. My strategy moving forward with these will be to, I don't know. I see so many forks of baked beans coming up, and I love baked beans so much. I'm going to just try to follow the pattern on all of them. And if I join 5 or 6, then I could claim every day. You know what I mean? Like I could compound 5 days a week on one, compound 5 days a week on the next one. You get me? And just alternate those and claim, alternating claims, so that I could continue to feed the contract on different ones. I will be claiming like 2 or 3 times a week. I'm gonna let y'all know straight up, okay? I don't want to be bad. I know it sounds bad. I'm sorry, people, but I'm a human being, you know? And I'm a YouTuber. And the thing with being a YouTuber is I have to jump in a lot of these projects. And jumping in a lot of these projects, it costs moolah. So support your boy. Support your boy. Like, I'm not going to spend too much time on this. I just want you guys to see this and hear my strategy moving forward. My link for the lucky cat will be down below. Please use that link. Support the channel. Like this video. You know I don't waste no time. This ain't financial advice. So please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. All of this is entertainment. What Cartel say?
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.